even if the world leave me. Your guiding glory will I see. Day by day, year after year, though the plenteous graces.
Good morning, people. Welcome to Xpulse Travel Diary. We are going to Manipur, and this is my full setup. I have a pillion today, my sister, and we are going to start from Guwahati now 5 a.m. We are going to enjoy the journey, and it has been a long-awaited journey. And here is my sister, all set for the journey. It's chill. And the road is practically empty at this time. The Xpulse is performing very well. Xpulse is a very good bike even for the city. I'm excited to see different places all along the way.
You're going to Manipur?
Yeah, Imphal.
In a bike?
Yeah.
With your sis?
Yeah, with things, everything.
This is called as Charan Spars.
Oh,
Hindi.
okay,
Do you
okay.
know the meaning of Charan Spars?
No. You can tell me.
I am giving full respect to you.
Okay, thank you. Eid Mubarak. Wow. A very big gathering of people. Oh, what ini na kaya ni ini. Kapan okay. You can see a lot of work is going on for road extension.
Day by day, year after year, He increased my happiness. How could I forget your love for me? I will never let you down. I will never let you down. I will never let you down. I will never let you down.
Guys, a lot of road construction is going on at the moment. I think it will take at least maybe more than a year. So during the rainy season, one has to be ready for some slushy road. Welcome to Dimapur, Nagaland. It's 11:05 a.m. We are here in Nagaland. Guys, can you see the flower pots there? Something very good. Wow, I love it. There also you can see a lot of flowers kept there. Wow. This is just amazing. Welcome to the main bazaar area of Dimapur.
By day, year after year,
Dimapur flyover.
increase my happiness. How could I forget your love for me? I will never let you down. I will never let
Welcome to Kohima. Steep climb, gear 1. No, I don't dare to change to gear 2 because of the weight and the pillion. So So this is the shortcut. Gear 2 rồi không mà kia. Only gear 1 can pull up. Zoo guiding ties.
From earth to sea, all your creatures rise to see.
Guys, it is 2:30 and we have Naga Heritage Village. So this is the place where Hornbill Festival is organized every year.
Flow the plenteous graces. Day by day, year after year.
Just crossed Jakama.
Increase my happiness.
Earlier it was mostly slush. Now they have put some chips. I hope they will do the tarring also soon.
I will never let you down. I will never let you down.
Can't see anything here. These chips are too loose. Now the handlebar is shaking. Oh my god, this is wow, wow. Oh my god.
I will never let you down, even if it were for a crown. My belief is to cling to you. That's what I am supposed to.
I have reached Mao Gate.